beautiful people? This is Tiki with Healthy Living with Tiki. I'm coming to you with another what I eat in a day. So I'm about to get my day started. I'm about to have my cup of coffee with some collagen in it. I'm doing extra strength because your girl has been up since 6 o'clock this morning for no reason, just up for no reason at all. Don't mind the hair. I rinsed my hair out and I recorded a video for my other channel. If you don't follow the other channel, I will put the link down below so you can go follow that. That is my hair, beauty, and lifestyle channel. Yes, your girl has multiple channels and I'm about to lose my man. But anyway, so I'm going to have my cup of coffee and I'm going to figure out what I'm going to do for lunch. It's looking a lot like a tuna fish sandwich, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. Still debating on it. But anyway, I'll be back. Let me go have my coffee. All right, y'all. This is 18 ounces. The Lord, please let me stay awake. So, this 18 ounces of coffee. Yes, more than a bottle of water. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. This is a judgment-free zone, okay? To that, I'm adding some collagen. 1 scoop of collagen. Some heavy whipping cream. You know, I like a lot of cream. I normally measure it out, but because I have so much coffee, I'm just going to pour it in there. And my sugar-free salted caramel syrup. Alright. And that is my coffee, and that's how I'm going to start my day for right now. Like I said, I think I'm probably going to have the tuna for lunch. But I'm going to come back when I get ready to make that, because I'm going to show you what I'm using for bread and how I make my tuna. I'm doing the lazy girl version. So, yeah. Be back in a minute. Man, I'm out here looking like Pippi Longstocking, little cousin, braiding my hair in, so unruly. Man, I said forget that daggone tuna fish sandwich. I want some real food, so I'm about to go get some real food. So yeah, let's go get lunch. All right, y'all. So I just left Thompson's Brother Barbecue. For those who don't know, I live in Atlanta. And Thompson's Brother is in Smyrna, which is right outside of Atlanta. So I'm not going to eat the bread, of course. I ordered 2 orders of greens because they are keto. I love their baked beans, but of course, being on keto, I can't have it. I asked for the hot barbecue sauce instead of the sweet one. And these are the ribs. I ordered the rib plate. Their ribs are one of my favorites because I can actually eat the ribs without any sauce on them. So I am ready to dig in. As you can see, this is way better than some tuna fish. Ew, I had to have it. So let me go ahead and eat my lunch. My mouth is already watering if you can't hear it. Goodness. Yes. Let me go eat my lunch. I'm going to talk to y'all in a minute. So it's 7:30. What I eat in a day is going to be real boring today because I'm essentially going to eat what I had for lunch for dinner. I just ate another rib. I have 1 rib left and another container of greens. So that's what I'm going to be eating for dinner. So that's the 1 rib I have left. Then my other container of greens. I'm just going to nibble on this. I have class from 8 to 10 tonight. So I'm just going to eat that. And that's going to be what I'm eating today. It's like this one meal has lasted me all day. So I definitely got my money's worth. I'm sorry it wasn't more eventful for y'all for today, but let's just be realistic. This is what happens sometimes. Sometimes it doesn't go as planned. You plan for one thing and something else actually ends up happening. So yeah, I plan to make a couple of different meals and I end up going to get lunch, and this is just what it is. I mean, just keeping it real, y'all. I mean, I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. But anyway, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.